Hello everyone. Today we're going to be learning about or how to divide decimals. The strategies that we're going to be using, it's basically know how to use the facts and then move the decimal if the divisor has decimals. First of all, let's take a look at this example. So the divisor, we can say is the second one. In this case, we got the dividend and the divisor with an R. In this case, the divisor would be the second one. That's the divisor. So if the divisor has decimals, we need to move it. But let's get the first one. So as you've been taught before, we need to go and get the first number and then have the division sign and then divide by 3. As you can see, we don't have any decimal points. We don't have any decimals. So we can just go ahead and divide the way it is. So how many times does 3 fit on 6? 3 times 2, as you know, is 6. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 minus 6 is 0. I'm going to move the decimal up. That's very important. And you can also do it at the beginning. But let's keep on going with this. So how many times 3 fits on 3? It's going to be 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Take down the 9. How many times does 3 fits on 9? Is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 9 minus 9 is 0. So basically, our answer is going to be 2.13. But now let's take a look at the second example. I'm going to go ahead and get the 6.39 written, and then I'm going to go with the 2.13. See, if we have decimals in the divisor, we cannot start. We need to move the decimal out. In this case, I need to move it twice to move it out. So it's once and twice. So I'm going to move it once and twice. So the decimal stays at the end. And right now, I can just go ahead and write the decimal point right there. So now it's going to be the same thing as 639 divided by 213. Remember, the decimal point is at the end. It's right here. And I'm just going to put it there. So how many times does 213 fits on 6? 0. How many times does 213 fits on 63? 0. How many times 213 fits on 639? Well, as you can see, how many times does the number 2 fits on number 6? We can say it's 3. So let's check it. 213 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 2 is 6. Turns out it's the same number. So yes, we can use number 3. 213 times 3, it's exactly 639. 639 minus 639 is 0. So as you can see, the answer is going to be 3. Not 3 point something. The answer is just 3 because we didn't have any reminders. Let's go ahead and see the next example. We got 36.45 divided by 0.9. So let's go ahead and rewrite this as 36.45 divided by 0.9. Remember, the second one is a divisor. If the divisor has decimals, we need to move it away, move it out. So we're going to move it to the right. 1 place, so we need to move this decimal 1 place. And now I can just go ahead and write the decimal right there. And I can go on. Now it's going to be 364.5 divided by 9. So, how many times does the number 9 fits on 3? 0. How many times does the number 9 fits on 36? I'm going to go with 4 because 9 times 4 is 36. 36 minus 36 is 0. I'm going to take down the number 4. How many times does the number 9 fits on 4? 0, of course. And I have the decimal there. Take down the number 5. How many times does the number 9 fits on 45? It's going to be 5. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 minus 45 is 0. So our answer, as you can see, is going to be 40.5. Please go ahead and take out a clean sheet of paper and practice dividing these two simple problems. You can stop the video right now so you can copy them. And just remember, if we have in the divisor, if we have decimals, we need to move it out. Thank you.